The Lean Startup is a book about how to build a successful startup by using a lean approach. The lean approach is all about creating a product or service that people actually want, rather than spending a lot of time and money building something that nobody wants. The book starts by discussing the concept of a startup and how it differs from a traditional business. A startup is a temporary organization designed to search for a repeatable and scalable business model. The goal of a startup is to find a business model that works before running out of resources. Reis then introduces the concept of the lean startup and explains how it differs from traditional approaches to building a business. The lean startup is all about creating a minimum viable product, MVP, and testing it with customers to see if there is demand for the product. The idea is to get feedback from customers early and often and use that feedback to improve the product. The book then goes into detail about how to build a lean startup. Reis discusses the importance of measuring progress using metrics that matter, such as customer acquisition, activation, retention, and referral. He also talks about the importance of continuous improvement and experimentation and how to use the build, measure, learn feedback loop to iterate on your product. One of the key takeaways from the book is the importance of pivoting. A pivot is a change in strategy based on feedback from customers. Reis argues that pivoting is a natural and necessary part of the startup process, and that successful startups are those that are able to pivot quickly and effectively. Overall, The Lean Startup is a fascinating book that provides a new way of thinking about startups and entrepreneurship. It's a must-read for anyone who is interested in building a successful business, and it's full of practical advice and real-world examples that make it an engaging and informative read.